Hello students, welcome back. We shall continue to study the chapter Perimeter and Area. In our previous classes, we have discussed about what was perimeter. It was the distance around the object, and the area is the amount of space the object takes up. Today we learn about circumference. Now circumference is a special case of perimeter. So as in perimeter, we only take the distance covered by the object. Same will be also with circumference. Now, both will describe the total length of the boundary of the two-dimensional shape. A two-dimensional shape is a shape which has only length and breadth. But circumference specifically refers to the perimeter of curved figure or arc. So it will apply only to curved figures. Now, which can be the curved figures? It can be circles, can be ovals. Okay, remember the egg. Then it could be even ellipse this way or arcs. Circumference होता है स्पेशल केस पेरीमीटर का. दोनों में क्या सिमिलैरिटी होता है? वो बाहर का डिस्टेंस जो भी है वो बताता है हमें. ओके, एंड इट इज फॉर टू डिमेंशनल शेप. टू डिमेंशनल शेप मीन्स द शेप्स जिनमें बस लेंथ और ब्रेथ होता है. और सर्कम्फरेंस, ये हम वर्ड इस्तेमाल करते हैं पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फॉर सर्कुलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, लाइक एग्जांपल दिया हम लोगों ने सर्कल, oval and ellipse. So we'll learn about the circumference of a circle today. So the circumference of a circle. So we'll define what is circumference first. So the distance around a circular region is known as its circumference. तो ये distance जो है circular region of this circle is called as the circumference. Now, circumference is given by pi multiplied by diameter. So, this pi is a Greek symbol which we represent this way, multiplied by the diameter. Now, we know that this will be the diameter. This will be the diameter. And we know that diameter is half of the radius. Sorry, diameter is twice the radius. So, I'll write d equals to 2r. So, once I multiply this, I will get the formula 2 pi r. So, the circumference of a circle will be equal to 2 pi r. Now, let's solve a problem based on the formula that we have just learned. So, what is the circumference of a circle of radius 7 centimeters? So, we'll see what is given in the problem. We are given the radius, which is 7 centimeters, and we are to find the circumference of a circle. First, we will write the formula to find the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r. I'm given the value of pi as 22 upon 7. So I will substitute the value 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 7. So now this 7 and this 7 can get cancelled. What I will get? 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 1. So 2 multiplied by 22 will give me 44 centimeters. Take another problem. Here we are told to find what is the circumference of a circle of radius 14 centimeters. Pi is given 22 upon 7. So we are given the radius of a circle which is equal to 14 centimeters, and we are to find the circumference of a circle. So we'll substitute the formula circumference of a circle equals to 2 pi r. So I will write the values, that is 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 14 centimeters. So I can cancel 7 and 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So I will get 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 2. So on multiplying these numbers, I get the answer is 88 centimeters. So here in these two problems, we learned how to calculate the circumference of a circle when we were given the radius. Now, in this problem, we will learn in case we are given the circumference, how to calculate the radius. The problem is, if the circumference of a circle is 44 centimeters, find the radius given pi equals 22 by 7. So we are given in the problem, circumference of a circle equals 44 centimeters and we are to find the radius. I write circumference of a circle equal to 2 pi r. I will write circumference is given as 44 centimeters. Circumference is equal to 44 centimeters equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into r. Now, I will take this divided by 7 as multiplied by 7 and I will get 44 centimeters into 7 equals 2 multiplied by 22 into r. So on multiplying these two numbers, I will get 308 centimeters equals 2 multiplied by 22, that is 44 into r. Now I need to find the value of r. So what I will do is, I will reduce it with the table 2. Still I can use the table 2 and cancel it further. Now I have 11 and 77. I can reduce it with the table 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 sevens are 77. So I will get the value of r as 7 centimeters. Shall solve another problem. The circumference of a circle is 88 centimeters. Find the radius. Given pi equals 22 upon 7. We are given in the problem the circumference of a circle which is 88 centimeters. You have to find the radius. Write the formula. Circumference of a circle equals to 2 pi r. Circumference is given 88 centimeters. 2 multiplied by pi value is 22 upon 7 into r. I will multiply 88 into 7 equals to 2 multiplied by 22 into r. So 88 centimeters into 7, I get 616 equals 44 into r. Again, I reduce this and I get answer is 14 centimeters. So in today's class, we have learnt about what is circumference. We learned about the circumference of a circle, the formula 2 pi r. We used that formula to calculate the circumference of a circle when we were given the radius. Then we solved a second kind of a problem where we were given the circumference of the circle and we were told to find out the radius. Thank you, students.